This utility is awesome. Using this app, I have access to any applications, web pages, control my music, open up folders, and anything I need for myself and customization. Just swipe and get everything done. Once you open it, you get access to all your app shortcuts, tools, and more, all just a quick swipe away. So recently, I made a video on the best softwares for Spotlight alternatives, but a couple of days later, I came across an application called KandDo, and it's really amazing, especially for people who are not into hotkeys and typing like for the Spotlight apps. So let's see what it does. First, to install it, head over to this website, which links are in the description, and click on download from GitHub. Based on your operating system, download and install KandDo. It's available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. After installing, it will show you this dialog, and now you're ready to use KandDo. So by pressing Ctrl Space, the KandDo menu will toggle on, showing you these pre-made items which you can customize. Here we have access to apps, bookmarks, previous and next menus, which I'll explain for you, windows, audio, clipboard, and web links. I'll explain the previous and next menus later in the video. If I click on any of them, another menu will open. Let's see the apps section. Now I can launch File Explorer, Terminal, Browser, Email, and Paint. You can change and customize any of these based on your needs, which I will show you in settings. In bookmarks, we have access to the popular file categories from File Explorer like pictures, videos, downloads, music, home, desktop, and documents. Clicking on any of these will open File Explorer. Next, we have Windows, which works like a window manager. You can toggle windows, tile them left or right, or close them. Then Audio tab, which is an audio manager. You can skip, mute, and play songs. Clipboard gives you basic clipboard actions like cut, copy, and paste. And lastly, web links contains links to KandDo's website and YouTube channel, which you can customize for yourself. Now let's see how to customize all of these. After opening KandDo, this menu will be shown. Here you can set the main app shortcut, which is Ctrl Space by default, and I'm personally fine with that. Then we have tags, so you can assign tags to each menu item and search for them by tag. And below that, you'll find some menu behavior options like centered, which opens the menu at the center of the screen each time you open it, anchored, which opens sub-menus where the main menu was triggered, and then hover all. It requires dragging to each menu you want. So this one is a little bit hard to use. I don't recommend that. Now let's say you opened KandDo by accident. Simply right click to close the menu. If it ever gets in the way, you can right click the tray icon and select temporarily disable all shortcuts. These next three options are for more advanced users and I don't recommend them for casual use. First, if you set all menus to open at the center, it might get confusing if you want to open two menus at once and don't know where each file is. Still, I like this mod. Then we have menu conditions. With the same shortcut, you can make multiple menus open, but only under specific conditions. For example, set a name. I say Zen. And if that app is open, the menu will open. If not, nothing happens. You can apply similar conditions based on window titles or screen areas. You can also add more menu items. You can add things like submenus, run commands, open files. This one is Hotkeys Simulator. Next to that, we have Keyboard Macro. This one simulates typing text character by character, just like a human would. You can edit these manually to adjust timing between keystrokes. After that, you have Insert Text. So this one instantly pastes the text using your clipboard. After the action runs, the clipboard will contain the inserted text. It's much faster than typing and perfect for quickly inserting code, commands, or templates, as long as the target app allows pasting. Then we have Redirect, which sends you to another menu, and lastly KandDo Settings. You can add, clone, or remove menus. You can also see all menus and your favorite one by clicking on this star icon. On the left side of the app, you can view all menus and filter to just favorites. Customizing any menu items is super easy. Just click on it, rename it, and change its content. You can also change its icon by clicking on the current icon and searching for what you want. Now we're at the coolest part of KandDo, themes. You can change your theme using one of the 4 built-in options or download more online. These are the online themes. You can choose any you like. To install one, first click on the link to visit the theme website. Download the theme you want, unzip the file, and copy the folder inside. Now go back to the app, open the theme directory, and paste the folder there. Then go to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and click Reload Menu Theme, or simply restart KandDo. The new theme will now be added and ready to use. There are also sounds available for themes. You can toggle them on or off in Settings under Menu Sounds. You can also adjust the volume. It's cool, but it might get annoying. Speaking of settings, let's cover some general options that might be useful. The first one is backups. To backup KandDo, open Settings. It says your data is stored in a JSON file. Clicking this will open the directory. You can copy these JSON files and store them on a cloud drive. At the top of the settings, you can customize colors and choose where the settings button is placed. Below that, you'll find menu behavior options again. One option is keep active application focused. This can be useful in some situations, but note that if you enable this, shortcuts and KandDo won't be available until you open the menu manually. There's also marking and turbo mode, which I've talked about before. Move pointer to the menu center. If you enable this, the pointer will automatically move to the menu center whenever you open KandDo. It might be useful. You can also set the right mouse button to select the parent menu. And lastly, KandDo can be used with gamepads or controllers as well. And that's it. KandDo, a powerful launcher that puts everything you need just a swipe away. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech tools that actually make your life better. Thanks for watching and see you next time.